Hello my friends, Enrique here, and this is going to be a really quick tutorial. You see this icon right here, this annoying little icon that is always in your start bar of Windows 11? Well, I'm going to show you how to uninstall it and how to disable it from the start menu. There are two versions of Microsoft Teams that you can have installed in your system, the Business Edition or the Personal Edition. Well, to uninstall it, it's really simple. You want to right-click into the Start button right here, go into your settings. From here on the left, you want to click into the Apps tab, go into Apps and Features, and search for Team. Right here, you're going to see the Microsoft Team app. You want to click into the three dots and to click into Uninstall. This app and all of the info will be uninstalled. Click into Uninstall. It will remove the Microsoft Teams app from your system. But now, you are still going to have the chat icon in the taskbar. If you click on it, it's going to download once more the Microsoft Teams application into your computer. So to change that, you want to go into the Personalization tab, go into Taskbar, and inside of here you can disable chat from the taskbar item. Click right here to set it into off, and if you don't use any more of these settings, you can also turn them off. For example, I don't use widgets, I'm going to do that off as well, and as well as the task view. Well guys, that's it. Pretty fast tutorial, thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and a subscriber is always welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching once more, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye!